All right, welcome back, everybody. Well, the holidays tend to make us think of joy and celebration. This time of year can be difficult for those who don't have anyone to spend it with.
Yeah, thankfully, though, there's a great service being done for those who might be less fortunate. Michael Hury and Emiliano Brites from Juniper Homecare are here telling us about how you can arrange for a complimentary Thanksgiving meal, and it'll be delivered to those who need it. And they're showing us also a great dish that you might want to make to bring to your gathering. Thank you so much for being with us.
You're welcome.
Thanks for being here.
So tell us, how long you guys been with Juniper?
I've been there for 2 years now.
2 years, so good, nice long time. And this is something that Juniper does every year right around Thanksgiving.
Yeah, for the last 14 years.
Last 14 years, this is amazing. So people, not only your clients, but other people who are less fortunate can sign up and have a wonderful meal, Thanksgiving meal delivered.
Absolutely, yes.
You're going to show us a little bit how to do this, but if you don't know, Juniper is a place where they kind of want people to stay in their houses. So they help make that possible, that maybe you don't have to go out to a nursing home, you stay in your comfort of your own home. But things like getting meals done are difficult. So this is something that your clients can have all the time. But in this particular day, if we order this meal and you have a chance till Sunday, if you're a needy person that needs a meal delivered, you don't have to be a Juniper person. You're going to get it delivered.
Correct.
Okay.
That's correct.
Show us what you're making. What's one of the things that might be delivered?
The spread looks amazing.
Well, I'm going to make like a Russian salad. It's called a vinaigrette, which is sauerkraut, carrots, beans, potatoes, beets, and scallions, and sunflower oil.
Sunflower oil. All right, let's begin. Let's do it.
Okay, so what?
He needs his big bowl.
Big bowl.
And then we're also, the recipe that we're going to share with our viewers is this amazing sweet potato casserole coming up.
I can help you.
Thank you, Scott.
What is that? That's sauerkraut?
Cabbage sauerkraut.
Cabbage sauerkraut. Carrots.
Cooked carrots.
Oh, these are cooked carrots.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yum. Here you go.
This is a
White
traditional
bean.
Russian holiday meal?
That's correct.
And that's something that you guys are doing is
For the
different ethnicities will
clients.
have special dishes.
We do, yes.
Just
a little bit, okay.
Just a little bit.
What is that, scallions?
Scallions.
Okay.
Potatoes.
All of this?
All of that.
Okay. All of this. And Juniper was started back in 1998, isn't that right? In 1998, they've been doing this ever since I've been working here at Channel 3. It's 21 years.
21 years.
God bless. Okay.
And, you know, while you're making that, we have some great pictures just showing, I mean, this has really been a community effort. Volunteers come and help with this possible. They bag it up and deliver it. Volunteers there standing outside, and even it's a wonderful tradition. I know fathers and sons,
Just
mothers and
salt
daughters.
pepper. Yeah.
Yeah, that's wonderful. Oh, look at you all in front of the fire truck. So if someone is watching this and saying, I need a meal delivered for a loved one or myself, how do they sign up?
They just need to call Juniper. Go to the number or juniperhomecare.com.
So and just mix it up, you know, toss it up a little bit.
Wow, the beets really add a lot to the flavor and to the color.
Yeah, I know you don't like beets.
I hate beets.
But it's very pretty and festive.
It's all right, I'm going to...
It's very
But you
healthy,
might like
lots
this,
of C
Scott.
vitamins.
You might like this, Scott. We're going to make a sweet potato casserole. And, you know, the
And
one with the, I got to be
transfer
honest,
this to a bowl.
the one with the marshmallow on it isn't always my favorite. But this has got cranberries and walnuts. Look at it. Here's the recipe.
Apples.
Oh, cranberries and apples. That's what those are. Show us how, while he's plating that up, show us your recipe.
Okay, so I have some blanched sweet potatoes here.
Okay.
You peel them, throw them in a pot, get them nice and tender.
Yep.
So if you just want to throw those in there,
Okay, so
you do a
here's,
small layer.
You've already quartered them and just put them in water.
Right.
Okay, and blanched them a little bit. How long? Do they have to be soft already or not really?
Pretty soft.
Okay,
Yeah, I
so
would say
keep
about 20, 30 minutes
in the water.
blanch.
Okay.
And then these are just some diced apples, brown sugar, butter, and the cranberries. You just kind of cook that until it gets nice and soft. And
That would all go in a pot together and kind of
In a
just
separate saute pan.
Soften it.
Right.
And once it's all soft and kind of soupy like this, we're just going to place it on top?
Yep, just kind of
Okay.
Wow, that looks delicious.
get it
Thank
all
you.
over.
Yeah, you would love this, Scott.
That one.
Yeah. There are no beets in this one, Scott. Just to even, oh, sorry. Here we go. Let me
It's
hold
a
it
little
for you.
slippery
It's a little
there.
slippery, yeah. It's gonna get. You've got the butter and the sugar in there. Oh, the maple.
I just think it's
All
great.
right, that's
Juniper is
good.
getting involved in
that's
the
good.
community. 14
Okay.
years of doing this, helping people in the community. Whether you're a client or not, you can sign up and get a free, wonderful meal delivered, then made by you guys.
Yeah.
And you guys are in 2 different locations, right?
I'm in Hamden and he's in
I'm in
West
West
Hartford.
Hartford.
Okay. Which one's better? Do you guys have a and I have an
West
opinion.
Hartford.
West Hartford's better.
I think Hamden.
Okay, very good.
I know that I was just emceeing the Best of West Hartford, and they did win Best of West Hartford.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah.
Wow, that's
so,
great.
wait, just last thing, because I might really want to make this. What do we do from here? Put it in the oven?
It goes in the oven about 30, 40 minutes. And just check it.
350?
375, and it's good to go.
Look, it becomes that. That's
And
amazing.
you know, the funny thing is, man, people talking about Meals on Wheels, that they don't realize that everything we make is from scratch. Is nothing from the can.
Which is just
Yeah.
great.
So
Which
these
is
are-
like
Thank
a
you.
gourmet food. I mean,
Right,
it's
so
beautiful.
nice. Thank you so much. Complimentary Thanksgiving meals. That'll be happening on Thanksgiving, November 28th at Juniper Homecare on New Britain Avenue in West Hartford. So for more information, you can go right to their Facebook page and sign up there, or visit facebook.com/Juniper Homecare. You can sign up. I know they're going to have volunteers. For more information, if you'd rather go to their website, you can also go to juniperhomecare.com. What a wonderful
Thanks,
thing
guys.
you do. Thank you. We're
Thank you.
grateful for you.
Thanks for having me.